In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change your AirDrop settings on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your control center. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Now here you're going to find this section at the top left. Click on that. Now click on the option AirDrop. Now I can choose between receiving off, contacts only, or everyone for 10 minutes. This is the fastest way when you just want to temporarily open or close your AirDrop. Next thing you want to do is launch settings. Now head over to the option general. Here you're going to find the option of AirDrop. Click on that. From here as well, you can easily enable or disable AirDrop. Likewise, you can toggle on for these options, bringing devices together, easily swap numbers with name drop, share photos, and more by holding the top of your iPhone close to another iPhone. Likewise, toggle on for the option use cellular data, continue to send and receive content when Wi-Fi is not available during your drop. Also, if you don't want these features, you can disable for these options. That's it. This way you can easily change your AirDrop settings on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.